Jamaicans living in Jamaica and overseas, this message is for you. Do not skip this video. Sit back and let me explain to you. Quite often, you want to send things back home, but you don't have access to barrel services, or you have items that are less than a barrel full, and you want to send them back home, but often find things very difficult. There is a way to do it, and there is a way to do it cheap.
Yes, this is Claudia Thompson.
Alright.
A happy customer.
Mm-hmm.
Shopping at Amazon and Walmart and getting my things delivered in no time. Really pleased with the service.
Awesome, and we're so happy to serve you. You seen down the road there, so that's leading to Spanish Town. Alright guys, let me give you it. We are in Old Harbour. Yes folks, we do deliver in Old Harbour. Who help you with it? She have somebody, let me show you guys. I know. See somebody there, she have somebody. Yeah? So guys, listen, remember.
I'm happy with the service.
Say it loud, then I hear you.
I'm happy with the service.
Alright guys, I hear that you're happy with the service. So remember guys, if you're in the Old Harbour here area, we do deliver to your doorstep, alright? So the lady there with her big old box and the guy over there is going to help her. Making the big delivery on St. John's Road. There's a link somewhere here. Click on the link, join us today so you can shoot a big 65-inch TV. You tell us say a PlayStation and play on this, no Xbox. How you like the service so far?
Good quality, excellent.
Excellent quality.
Yeah.
How you like the speed of the delivery?
Very fast.
Very fast. I'm going to bring a big item come here. Whenever I break your pocket, right?
No. It's reasonable.
Pull it, make this
Reasonable.
thing, maybe.
A man I say pull it. Would you recommend
Right,
us?
that's no.
Man want pull it right?
Why not?
No, the man
We have to
TV.
know it. We have to know.
Would you recommend us to other customers? Would you tell persons to sign up?
Yes, I will.
Alright, you hear that guys?